For years, our world has been at peace. But something is coming. I can feel it. Dark forces are upon us. Step in.
Our world is dying. If our people are to survive, we must make a home here. Whatever happens.
Whatever happens.
Claim my new world.
If we do not unite, our world will perish.
This doesn't need to happen. There is one who may help us.
Look around you. Wherever Gul'dan works its magic, the land dies. For orcs, there is no other life but war. No, but with the humans' help, there could be.
Why are you here?
To save our people.
Can we trust him?
They're beasts. They should all be destroyed.
Are you sure about that? We'll protect the kingdom. You and I.
You'd side with the humans against your own kind.
This is suicide.
We have no choice. We should attack with full force.
Whatever you plan to do it now! You'll have me to protect you.
I need no one to protect me.
Well then.
I know you've been waiting for it, nerds. Well, here it is, non-spoiler style. This blockbuster has changed the industry forever as an undisputed global hit, raking in almost $200 million in just 5 days. If you have not been to see this film, I do not know what you are waiting for. Of course, we are all restraining this to a non-spoiler review, so while I can't tell you much, I can give you a few tips of what to expect. With realistic scenes built larger than life, with 60-foot doors, 180 swords, shields, spears, and other crafted weapons, giant animal tusks, oversized costumes, and a grand finale. There is no question there was much time, manpower, and money invested in this film, which they luckily made back in the first 5 days. They're creating history. This film is pushing technology forward and bringing your gaming dreams to life. You're going to see things you've never seen before, but most likely dreamed of playing the game. Monstrous beings, fantasy creatures, magic, and a merge of heroes bringing about a scale of war like we've never seen. Duncan Jones invested into pushing technology as far as the realms would allow and breathed life into these characters with such minute detail, down to eye dilation. So incredibly convincing, they must be real. This movie is going to come to life for more than just us gamers. Given all the never-before-seen technology in this film, it is an absolute must-see for everyone. Nerdy Newsies, check it out. First chance you get, again, Warcraft. It rocks.